Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the common design problems solved by Zerodha for investing. Zerodha has solved several design problems to provide a user-friendly and intuitive trading platform for its users. Some of the design problems that Zerodha has solved are information overload. The stock market can be overwhelming for new investors with so much information to process. Zerodha's trading platform has solved this problem by presenting information in a clear and concise manner with easy-to-read charts, graphs, and tables. Cluttered UI. Many trading platforms suffer from cluttered user interfaces, making it difficult for users to navigate and find out what they need. Zerodha's trading platform has solved this problem by providing a clean and minimalistic UI, with only the most essential features displayed prominently. Complex order placement. Placing orders can be confusing for new investors, especially if they're not familiar with the different types of orders. Zerodha solved this problem by providing an intuitive and easy-to-use order placement system with clear explanation of each order type. Lack of customization. Many trading platforms do not allow users to customize their interface or set up their workspace according to their preferences. Zerodha solved this problem by providing a highly customizable trading platform allowing users to create their own customized watch list, set up their workspace, and even create their own indicators. Overall, Zerodha has solved these problems by providing an intuitive and user-friendly trading platform with clear explanations, educational resources, and customization options, making it easier for users to invest in the stock market. Let's sketch the wireframe for Zerodha using pen and paper. I've created a search box over here. After searching for HDFC, we can see hierarchy-wise what all has popped up. And I've put a check mark, which means I've put it in a watch list. So when I go back on the home page, where there is search, I can see the ones that I've selected along with the percentages. So over here, first you'll have to select the security you want to purchase. After clicking on it, a pop-up opens up, and in that pop-up, you get to know about the performance, the chart, the quantity, and the orders. After that, if you wish to purchase it, you click on buy. Then you go to the next screen where it shows you details about the stock you want to buy. It tells you about the quantity, it tells you about the price. You can also change it, the amount of stocks you want to buy, and automatically price will also change. Then you can select if you want this product for intraday, long term, and coming to the type, you can select various options, and then you can click on submit. I'm hoping now you have understood what wireframes are and how they're important to the entire product management process.